Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set agent roles in LiveChat. All right. So the first time you have invited an agent, you was given an option to add in their roles or edit their roles. Okay. Now, if you have mistakenly added their roles, well, don't worry. You can just go ahead and easily change it. Okay. So once you're in here on your LiveChat dashboard, just go to the left panel and click on Team. Okay. Click on it. Now, under agents, go and find the agent that you wanted to change the specific role. For example, Ryan Overrider right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots besides his name. I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots right here. Click on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and change the job title. And when you go ahead and scroll down, under roles and permission, as you can see, you can go ahead and change it to admin or an admin that can basically access the billing as well. Okay. And there you have it. That's basically how you set agent roles in LiveChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.